Hi everybody, I have chosen the site ed.ted.com for my favorite website project. I first came across ed.ted.com on YouTube. I really enjoy listening to riddles and seeing those type of videos, and their YouTube site has quite a few different riddles that I came across. From there, I started watching some of the other videos that they had posted and really enjoyed what they were doing. One of the reasons I chose this site is because it has so many great educational tools on it. It also has lots of resources for teachers or different people who want to learn about different topics. Some of the things that I really like about this site are the videos, its simple layout, and the ability for collaboration. If we start by looking at this first video, this first lesson on the question, are ghost ships real? We can see the layout that they use. On each lesson, they have 4 parts: watch, think, dig deeper, and discuss. The watch section creates a video that the content creator has put for the topic. In this case, it is one that was created by the ed.ted team. The think section looks at a couple of questions that go along with the video. In this case, it's a couple of multiple choice questions and then some open-ended questions as well. Dig deeper takes the course and the idea that's being taught, and it gives it more depth and different pieces to it as well. And then finally, the discuss section gives a final open-ended discussion question that you could use as a class that doesn't necessarily have a right answer. There's also the ability down here to customize the lesson for your own needs. One of the things I really like about this site is the ability to create a lesson. So if you click the create a lesson button, it's going to help you create a lesson just like the one we looked at. You can upload a video, add questions, and then you're able to both share the lesson with your students and track their progress on it. As I already mentioned, there are tons of resources on this site. If you look at all the different videos they have, it's almost overwhelming by how many options there are. There are videos on arts, business, economics, design. The list goes on, and I'm sure you can read it. But one of the things I really like is that the topics are so diverse. You can look down here and they're talking about how igloos keep you warm, which is maybe a question that a student might ask you, but you might, 1, not know the answer to it off the top of your head, or 2, feel like you had time to explain. But this video will talk you through how it works in a short, succinct time. And they also have the ability to meet with topics that are really up to date and are focused on things that students might be asking about right now. For example, this NASA video looking at how the planets there found around the dwarf star barely a week ago. And yet this is a lesson that you could bring into your class and start having your students learn about and understand what's going on in science right now. I think the biggest thing that and the biggest reason I think people should be using this site is because there's literally something on here for everyone. If you want to understand a riddle or math or philosophy or science, there's a resource for you on here that explains something, and it gives it to you in a way that will really help you understand whether you're an adult just wanting to learn about a topic or you're a teacher trying to teach your students this. And really, if you're a teacher, there are so many great resources on here to be able to just create a lesson out of this by just typing in the name of a topic that you're looking for. And so that's why my video choice is ed.ted.com.